And US soy has a great sustainability track record. So if you look at US soy, it has a very favorable carbon footprint compared to soy from other origins. And so just from a perspective of, we didn't want to be seen to be turning our back on our great customers in China. And certainly the industry and the farmers never did, but there were some governmental things that made it difficult. We need to create a win-win situation so that we can be good suppliers to our good customers in China. And I'd just like to say, on behalf of the US soy industry, all the way from farm through our export industry, we send our best wishes for a successful CIIE. We'll be celebrating 40 years of USSEC work in China during 2022, and we look forward to seeing many of you at that time.